Let's learn about different hand mudras in Buddhism. Dhyan mudra, also called meditation gesture. It represents meditation, concentration, and tranquility. Both hands rest in the lap, palms facing upward, with the right hand placed on top of the left. Bhumisparsha mudra, also called earth-touching gesture. It symbolizes the moment of Buddha's enlightenment, calling the earth to witness his awakening. Right hand touches the earth, palm facing downward, while the left hand rests in the lap. Vitark mudra, also called teaching gesture. It represents the transmission of teachings and the sharing of knowledge. The right hand is raised to shoulder height, with the thumb and index finger touching to form a circle, symbolizing wisdom and the turning of the dharma wheel. Abhay mudra, also called gesture of fearlessness. It signifies protection, peace, and the removal of fear. Right hand raised, palm facing outward, fingers pointing upwards, symbolizing the removal of fear and granting blessings. Varda mudra, also called gesture of generosity. It symbolizes compassion, charity, and the granting of wishes. Right hand lowered, palm facing outward, with fingers pointing downward, showing the offering of compassion and generosity. Anjali mudra, also called gesture of reverence, represents respect, greeting, and prayer. Palms pressed together in front of the chest, fingers pointing upward, symbolizing prayer or greeting. Dharma chakra mudra, also called wheel of dharma gesture. It represents the turning of the wheel of dharma, Buddha's teachings. Both hands raised in front of the chest, with the thumb and index fingers forming a circle, representing the cycle of life, teachings, and spiritual growth. Karna mudra, also called gesture of listening. It represents listening to the teachings of Buddha and to one's inner self. The hand is raised to the ear, often seen in depictions of Buddha listening attentively. Chin mudra, also called gesture of knowledge. It symbolizes wisdom, knowledge, and enlightenment. The tip of the index finger touches the tip of the thumb, forming a circle, while the other fingers remain extended. Prithvi mudra, also called earth gesture. It represents connection to the earth and balance. The tip of the ring finger touches the tip of the thumb, with the other fingers extended, symbolizing a grounding and stabilizing force. Buddhist mudras are hand gestures with deep meanings tied to Buddha's teachings and enlightenment. They are commonly seen in statues, paintings, and meditation practices. Each mudra represents different qualities like wisdom, compassion, and peace, helping to inspire focus and understanding in those who practice or observe them. For more educational content, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel.